Hey everyone, so in today's video we are going to learn how to install Android Studio and set up our Android emulator. So open your browser and here type in Android Studio, and on the very first website click on install Android Studio. Now click on this link, download the latest version of Android Studio. Now click on download Android Studio. Just check this box, I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions, and click on download Android Studio for Windows. So after downloading the files, go to the downloads folder and here search for the setup. Here's the setup. Just double click on it and it will launch the installer. So grant the permission to this app to make changes on your device. Click on next, next, next and install. So after the installation is complete, click on next and click on finish to launch the Android Studio. So now your Android Studio is completely set up. So now we have to set up the Android emulator. For this, click on configure, go to AVD manager, click on create virtual device, and from here select any Android emulator that you wish to install. So let's say I select Pixel 3a XL. Just click on it, click on next and choose your release name and just click download against it. So let's say I click on download here for file. It will start downloading the required components. So after your download is finished, just click on the release name you downloaded and then click on next and then click finish. Now your virtual device is created and it's ready for use. So let us see how to use our new Android virtual device. Just click on start a new Android Studio project. Select any of them. Let's say I select empty activity. Click on next and click on finish. So here you will see a window like this and your virtual device appearing here. So now our Android virtual device is set up and our Android Studio is also up and running. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.